wouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now after staring holes in all my walls. Don't you cut me off like you did that time. Once was already enough.
Here at Whole Foods, they have the Mrs. Meyer's autumnal scents. This acorn spice is new. I had mum last year and apple cider last year. I highly recommend the orange clove. I ordered 2 more on iHerb. I'm gonna take a whiff of the acorn one. That's nice. Yeah, orange clove is a really good one. I've really got some odd jams going on this morning. Anyways, update. I purchased this Acure shampoo from iHerb a while ago, Vivacious Volume, Peppermint and Echinacea. It's actually pretty good. I find that it does make my scalp itch a little bit, and I think it might be the peppermint. So I may try another scent at another time. Like the pear and fig sounds really good. Yeah, I've been pretty happy with it. I wouldn't say it's, outstandingly magical. But you guys, Whole Foods 365 has fragrance-free shampoo. It's only $4.99. That's a really good deal. Fragrance-free shampoo and conditioners. Everyman Jack has a sheet mask, you guys. I actually really like the Everyman Jack brand. They have a lot of really good fragrance-free products. The sheet mask seems like it's actually doesn't have added fragrance. It's just the only thing in this, the charcoal powder can be drying and irritating. This is kind of meant to mop up oiliness, but it's in a sheet mask form. That's interesting. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it's got grapeseed oil in it and grapeseed extract. Those are high in antioxidants, and also goji is another antioxidant. Antioxidants in skincare products, though, they're not super stable. I guess doing a sheet mask like this is a kind of a fun way to utilize them, but the risk with sheet masks is always going to be irritant contact dermatitis or allergic contact dermatitis. But this one seems decent. And niacinamide is anti-inflammatory, helpful for redness. It has aloe leaf juice, which is mostly just water. Phenoxyethanol is a preservative that, along with parabens, both phenoxyethanol and parabens are preservatives that are pretty low risk for sensitization. So they're a much better alternative to methyl isothiazinolone or the formaldehyde releasers. Look at these cute Halloween cookies they have. A little cat and a witch. And a pink bat.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday.
Got your coffee.
We've got us some oatmeal here.
Ooh.
Lots of goodies. And I've discovered that I enjoy putting the fruit on the bottom because it gets warm.
Yeah, that is
It's
good.
like a gooey compost.
That's good.
And then
You guys.
this is a blueberry scone. Kind of looks like a hockey puck.
Oh yeah, you've gotten those before, the vegan scones.
Good.
Yeah. I got cauliflower and oatmeal mixed together like I like, and then I topped it with slivered almonds, black and white sesame seeds, toasted coconut, raisins, pecans. So it looks good.
I want to take this back because there just aren't enough blueberries in there.
It looks good.
Oh, I can't wait to bite into it.
Looks more like a little cake than a scone. How is it? Good? what you're here for. You're here for the apple. He sees an apple or a pear and he... The other one he'll go crazy for is P-E-A-R. I'm getting pretty good at spelling, so don't think you can pull the wool over my eyes when it comes to fruit. Well, hey guys, we're back. I just brewed up some apple cinnamon tea from the Select Reserve at Kroger, the bougie tea selection. And I'm gonna do a little fall baking and crafting. So I'm making a apple cake and you're doing your crochet.
Hi everybody.
How's the
Happy
Afghan
Sunday
going?
again. It's on the downhill slide. I'm almost done.
Looking good.
With her.
Looking good. Dabby bow.
Yeah, then I'll be able to crochet a doggy sweater.
I'll show you guys the ingredients and then I'll put the recipe down below if you're interested in making it. So yeah, I'm kind of making the recipe up as I go along, but I will put everything down below in the description box. I just pulsed 1 cup of whole rolled oats in the this little Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus to make oat flour, and then I added in half a cup of almond flour and pulsed it all together. So that's going to be my dry. And then you saw I was shredding up 2 small gala apples. I used my little gourmet veggie shredder there. And I'm also, and then I just put in actually a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to keep them from getting brown. I'm also going to use raisins and probably some unsweetened applesauce as kind of a binder. Then I've got vanilla extract, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg. Looks like you don't have any ginger. Oh well. And then I'm going to sweeten it with a combination of the New Naturals vanilla stevia syrup and blackstrap molasses. This is really good. It's a good source of iron, believe it or not. I get this on Amazon. The Plantation brand I find is very good. And then, of course, baking powder and baking soda. And I've got the oven preheated to 370. little wreath. You'll remember a while ago I made these five-pointed origami stars, and I still have them. I've kept them, I think it's been 2 years since I made them. I purchased this wreath at, was it Hobby Lobby I got this, or Michael's? I think Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. And I just glued them on, and then I stuck a little sticker dot in the center of each of them just to kind of, I don't know, round it out. I used these stickers from Yes Style. Remember I showed you guys there for the planner, but I thought they worked well there. I just tied a little raffia ribbon around it. Pumpkin rolling around there. And my apple cake came out really nice. It's if you don't have almond flour, you can use really any flour, I would imagine, but I definitely suggest, if you don't have almond flour, adding a little bit of almond extract or almond flavoring. The apple and almond is a nice combination. You kind of get that with the almond flour.
Open this, but it won't open because I thought.
Oh, you're trying to do Google Translate?
You could get the languages.
Yeah. So I just got from Yes Style, they have these craft kits, and I got this adorable little embroidery kit for this fox. I also got a bunny rabbit, but I brought the fox one over here, and it came with the fabric with the pattern printed on it and a hoop, and it came with all of the floss, a needle, and a little thread minder, and it even came with a little wooden frame. So yeah, that was a pretty inclusive craft kit. The instructions I'm going to attempt to have Google Translate assist me with, but I think I can figure it out. It just looks like straight stitching. Hard to tell.
I'm trying to download the website to see if they have the translation. There's a little square of something under the chair that I don't know if you need that.
Oh yeah, this was in there. Pass inspection. Well, hey guys, what's up? I just got out of the shower. I was in the gym for a while. We're doing my workout, and they have little TVs on the treadmill. I started watching the show Crisley Knows Best. Have you guys ever seen it? It's like a reality TV show that takes place in Atlanta, and the dad is hilarious. I don't know much about these people, like where they're from, or if they're just like randomly picked to be in this reality show, but they're hilarious. The parenting, the way the dad parents the children, they're like teenagers, adolescent age, is hilarious to me. It's kind of like tough love a little bit, but yeah, it's funny. But anyways, speaking of jokes, I've been attempting to use up the Glossier serums that I purchased a while back to review for you guys. You know, I don't want things to go to waste, but I never really had any intention of using these like in my skincare routine or, you know, serums. I don't mess around. I just keep things really simple, you guys. I don't use like serums and stuff, you know. So anyways, I've got to get rid of it. So I've been using these as body moisturizers because really they're just like super watered down moisturizers, especially the Super Bounce. It is like if you got a hotel lotion sample and you finished most of it and there was a little bit left in the tiny little bottle, and you poured some water in and shook it up to try and get that last little nugget of lotion out, you'd have the Glossier Super Bounce. That's exactly what this is. I mean, you don't need to put hyaluronic acid and B5 on your skin separately outside of a moisturizer. I mean, it really doesn't do that much. It's just like layering on more than multiple moisturizers. One that's not so good and then a better one. And, you know, the idea that you need to do that is a little silly and kind of wasteful. I mean, it's just a way for them to sell you more stuff. And likewise, the Super Glow magnesium and ascorbyl phosphate vitamin C serum. It's a lipid. It's a more stable form of vitamin C, but less well studied. We just don't have the data showing that it works like we do with L-ascorbic acid in terms of improving hyperpigmentation and potentially boosting collagen. But you know, it's not like the issue with the L-ascorbic. The issue with L-ascorbic acid is it's just not stable, and that's why, you know, most products are kind of a shot in the dark and unlikely to be super helpful. So yeah, I mean the ascorbyl, the magnesium ascorbyl phosphate is much more stable, so you don't run into that degradation issue. But like whether or not it's doing anything, unlikely. So yet another watered down lotion. But I've been putting these on my legs. Likewise, there's a niacinamide serum that I've been putting on my legs. Kind of an effort. You know when you get those like little nicks and dings randomly, or if you're like me, you do, just bumping into things, scratches and whatnot. And they kind of take a little while to heal, or they heal with a little bit of discoloration that takes a while to fade. I've been trying to fade them with these, and it's not doing anything. But yeah, that's how I'm using these up. So nothing goes to waste around here, that is for sure. But yeah, I would say I overall was pretty underwhelmed by the Glossier skincare products. I did finish up a few of their products, which I'll share with you guys in an empties video coming up. Just a lot of them I used up traveling, like in my travel skincare, so I'll share with you that. But yeah, definitely nothing that really stands out as being particularly useful. I do like the cleansing oil. That one's nice. It's just a little hard to navigate that bottle though. It's kind of like, reminds me of something in a art class that you would use to tie-dye something with. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the vlogs this weekend. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.